Hello ladies, hello friends, hello moms, assalamualaikum. Thank you so much for stopping by to my channel and still with me Retno Yuniarti from Aquishasewingroom. I just make a new bag which got inspiration from Fendi by the way handbag. And before I show you how to make step by step, here are the pattern that you might need. You can find and save this pattern image or other project that I already made on the link down below in description box. You can prepare all things like in this list and then we can make it together. Inshallah, I will upload the video tutorial on Monday or Tuesday. Well, I'll see you there. Keep health, keep safe, keep happy, and happy weekend to you with your families. Much love for me, Retno from Indonesia. Mwah. Assalamualaikum.